Hi, my name is Madison Wells and my topic is on the Pashtunwali, the honor code for the Pashtun people. The Pashtun live by the honor code, or by this honor code. They are located mainly in Afghanistan and Pakistan. There are about 12 million Pashtun people in Afghanistan and 27 million in Pakistan. They are very strict people, and even the leaders of the Al-Qaeda and the Taliban can hide among these people due to how strict their code is. Today I'm going to be discussing 10 different tenets of Pashtunwali. First is Badal. Badal means revenge. If someone wrongs another, they need to get revenge to maintain honor. It is interesting that if they don't, they will be stripped of their honor, which can affect their family and even their tribe. However, it can be done on any timeline as long as they make it known that is going to happen. Tura means bravery. This can be shown many ways, but it is mostly shown in the defense of someone's belongings, family, woman, and even against tyranny. Momastia means hospitality. This is more in the sense of hospitality for strangers. You have to give shelter and care to guests no matter their background. That includes religion, race, or economic status. The next one relates to the last. Nanawati means refuge, reconciliation, asylum, and sanctuary. This tenet allows someone seeking refuge to go to someone's house, and they cannot refuse you because of Momastia. Majority of the time, people seeking refuge are hiding from their enemies. Sabat means loyalty. This is mostly directed towards family, friends, and one's tribe. They need to remain loyal to the people around them that live with them. Imandari means righteousness. This includes striving to do the right things, both in word and in deed. This is also related to the religion that they practice, which is Islam, and in doing that, being righteous, following the teachings that they believe in. Gairat is dignity. This kind of relates to honor, and that you need to remain honorable and respect others to maintain dignity. Next is Namas. This is the honor of women. This means that men need to protect the sexual integrity and chastity of women in his family. It is his and other men in the family's responsibility as well. It also goes as far as extended family and not just immediate. Next is Istiqamat. This means trust in God. They believe in one God. They need to worship God and trust that He will prevail and that they will be saved. Lastly, and the most important, is Nang. It means honor. Each man must protect his honor, his family's honor, and his tribe's honor. All the other tenets relate to this one. They need to remain honorable to be accepted. In conclusion, the Pashtun people live by the strict code Pashtunwali. It is not a legal code, but a code of honor and a moral code. The Pashtun people live and die by this code. And the biggest part of this code is honor, and keeping honor in the individual sense as well as family and tribe. Thank you.